are saying that this is my uh, program for secondary WhatsApp. I am developing it right now. This is a page of the app called speech to text. So what it will do is to convert your speech into text. Then it you can copy that text and send it to your customers, friends, or whomever you want to send it. So this is my program. The program is already running, you are seeing it, and the page is look like that. So it's already preloaded page. I'm reloading it. It will take some time. Have the patience. So this is it, and when I click on the floating button, uh, floating microphone button, it will start listening your speech. The system will start listening your speech, and your speech will automatically convert it into text. Hello Google, are you listening? So yeah, it's working fine. So again, please Google forget my English. So it's working fine. Now I can click on the copy, and you are seeing that text copied to clipboard. That means text is successfully copied. Yeah, this is the prototype. Some things will be improvised to convert the speech into text smoothly. And that's it for today. Be happy.